How to create new folders in Dropbox. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to create new folder in Dropbox. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So to do that, just head over to the create button right here. Then from in there you should be able to see this folder right here. So just choose if you want a folder only, shared folder, or an automated folder. So just choose what folder you want. For me, I'll just choose this one and then just name it. So for me, I'll just name it Pics. Then after that, just click on create right here. Then as you can see, this will create a folder and you can see the folder right here and this will automatically open. So if we head back to the folder that we have, we can see the folder we created. So from in there, you can also click on create right here or create right here from there and you should be able to actually create it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create new folders in Dropbox. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks.